What's up everybody, welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Good morning it still is. Hope you're all doing great, hope you had a great night, or hope you're having a great day. Depends on where you live, what time zone you're in, obviously. But welcome to this video. We'll take a look at Ethereum again in this video, mainly at the price, usually, if you don't know me. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. I also cover some news, but that's only if there's any news, right? So when the merge was happening, I covered that quite a lot. If any fundamentals are happening, such as the inflation rate about a week ago, then I covered it as well in these videos. But now it's mainly the price. Market has been relatively boring, also fundamentally seen, which isn't necessarily a bad thing, but it's that there's not a lot to talk about, even though there is quite a lot to talk about the price. So, as I said, that will be the highlight of this video. If we take a look at the volume of Ethereum, it's relatively low. This is probably around like 5.7% of the market cap. I'd say that's pretty low, but it's average if you take a look at the volume over the last month for Ethereum. So yeah, let's without further ado, let's actually take a look at the price. So what I said yesterday in my analysis, as you can see, is that we would probably drop down towards that 1275 level, find support there, as you can see, and we're in the middle of finding support there. You can see that I said that we would find support there, and then get back up to 1300, and then probably take a break retest, or yeah, break retest, find resistance at around 1300, 1290, and then drop down to one level lower towards 1260 and 1250, and then from there start to move back up again towards 1300, break above 1300, and then get up towards that level at around 1314 and 1360. So that's still what I think the most likely scenario is, just to tell you like that. But I did want to discuss some other scenarios, and I did want to discuss the general market structure as well. I mean, the thing behind this is that Ethereum and Bitcoin and most big cryptos have been consolidating for the last month, even longer, but definitely for the last month. So for Ethereum, that consolidation is mainly between 1360. We had some fake outs, some breakouts between 1350 and like 1225. But mainly around 1275. All right, so 1275 and 1225, those are the strongest levels. And even though that's the case, I think we're dropping down to 1250. And that's mainly because I do see quite a lot of bullish momentum coming from Ethereum at these levels already. It's not that we're dropping down and slicing through butter, right? We are finding support at all the possible support levels. So yeah, I'm expecting that after that major resistance at 1340, I did expect us to drop back down to the lower bound of the consolidation we've been in. But because that lower bound is kind of subjective, I think 1250, 1260 is the most likely scenario. As you can see, we've been there once before. We found support there multiple times. So I don't think it's that controversial. And I do want to say as well, just another theory, even though it's not my most likely scenario. But right now, you can see that we found support at 1275. We just said that 1275 is actually quite a strong support level. So right now, with this bullish momentum we also have the possibility of breaking above 1300. As I said, I don't think it's the most likely scenario, but it's possible. If that actually happens, if we break above 1300, so not 1290, really 1300, then we could actually see some more bullish momentum soon and a move up to 1340 this week still. So yeah, a lot of things are possible. I think this is still the most likely scenario, but now that we do have some bullish momentum, I did want to introduce some alternative theories and analysis as well. So yeah, that's my take on Ethereum for today, I think. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Take care and bye.